This house is an ideal dream home for a large joint family in a congested city like Pune. I am architect Sunil Patil, Principal Architect of Sunil Patil and Associates, Pune. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebooks of this house with detailed floor plans, photos, fact files from buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned below. Stepped House is an independent bungalow on an independent plot in a bungalow society in Pune. The zoning of the house was such that all the common spaces like living, dining, kitchen were placed at the ground level, and the family room was lifted 1.5 meter above the ground level, access at mid landing of the staircase, which allowed us to create a tilted parking for 3 cars. The bedrooms have been designed on upper level, split by staircase, and access at the landings of the staircase to both the ends. A small courtyard at one side of the staircase is created with the skylight on top, which pours in natural light into the house and also creates the visual connection amongst all the spaces at various levels. A pneumatic home elevator has been placed in the courtyard for the convenience of old age people, which is also an aesthetical element of interior decor. The living room has been designed as double height space, and the wall between family and living is avoided to create a good visual connection and interaction amongst living, dining and family spaces, along with the sit-outs design in the setback areas. Since the floor plate of the house is restricted by the setback spaces have been designed as sit-outs to extend the living and dining space. The double height volume of the living room has been emphasized from outside as a wooden wall with the artwork, and the entrance door is a seamless part of this wall design. This wall is a vital feature of the facade of the house. The architectural style of the house is contemporary and modern. The massing is composition of grey color tandoor stone cladded walls and the white boxes with horizontal louvers. The living, dining, family and kitchen flow into each other and also into the landscape. The compound wall is treated as a part of the landscape, which enhances the spaces to be visually larger. The family cum TV room, just adjacent to the living room at higher level, allows the flexibility of uses. These spaces can be used separately and also together as one space when there is a large gathering. The theme of the interiors is quite modern, yet very simple and homely. The neutral color palette has been maintained by using grey color ceramic flooring, white walls and the use of wood at various places. The wooden wall mural in the living area, which also includes the entrance door, is a focal point of the interior space, which is also seen from family and dining spaces. Each bedroom is designed in different themes using different colors and textures, and is enhanced by integrating paintings and artworks in it. The wooden flooring creates a neutral base for the interior decor. The curtains are designed exclusively for each room, enhancing the theme of the room. A small and a compact home theatre and a party terrace with sit-out makes this house complete with all the facilities required for today's modern lifestyle. This house is an ideal dream home for a large joint family in a congested city like Pune. Thank you for listening to our project story. If you have any design query, we will be happy to respond to it.